In this video, we are going to solve systems of linear equations by graphing. Remember that every point that lies on a line is a solution to the equation of that line. So as you see here in this graph, we have a line and we have 2 points given on that line, which is 0, 1, and 1 and 4. These 2 points are solutions to the line. For a system of linear equations, the solution of a system of equations is the point of intersection of their graphs. As shown here in this graph, we have 2 lines and the point of intersection is at -1 and 3. So the solution of this system is the point -1 and 3. This means that if we substitute -1 in x and 3 in y, we are going to satisfy both equations. An example: graph the system and determine the number of solutions that it has. If it has one solution, determine its coordinates. In order to graph the line of the first equation, y equals -2x plus 14, we start by the y-intercept. Plot the point 14 on the y-axis, then we use the slope that is -2 over 1, so we move down 2 units and 1 to the right, and we plot the other point at 1 and 12 and we draw the line. By the same way, we are going to graph the second line, 3 over 5x plus 1. First of all, we start by the y-intercept at 1 and we plot at 0 and 1. Then the slope is 3 and 5, so we move up 3 points and 5 units to the right and we plot the other point and we graph the line. After graphing both lines, we found that there is a point of intersection at 5 and 4. So this means that 5 and 4 is the solution of this system. Now it's time to check your understanding. Graph the system of equations. Pause the video till you graph it, then check your answer. Another example: graph the system and determine the number of solutions that it has. Here we have a system of equations written in standard form. So to graph this, we are going to use the x and y intercepts to have 2 points for each line and draw the lines. Let's find the y-intercept and x-intercept for the first equation. We set x to be 0 to find the y-intercept, so y-intercept is 6. And the x-intercept, we set y equals 0, so the x-intercept is -4. So we plot the 2 points on the graph and we draw the line. We are going to graph the second equation by the same way. First, we find the y-intercept by setting x equals 0 in this equation, so y-intercept equals -2. And we find x-intercept by setting y equals 0, so x-intercept equals 4 over 3. And then we plot the 2 points as follows. After graphing the second line, we found that both lines are parallel, so this means that they do not intersect, so this system has no solution. For more practice exercises, you can click on the link in the description part of the video below. I hope this video was useful. If you like it, please press like, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. So to the next video. Bye.